Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT P80 Pro and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search your game as Mobile Legends games and you can't do it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible some applications, Mobile Legends games or something like that, we need more than page 3. To change it, well, we tap there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it from page 3 to page 6, maybe by tap and confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it, as you can see. Thanks for watching, bye!